Welcome to week 218. It's Christmas Day, and we're spending it at my grandma's farm. For me, nothing really says Christmas more than going to grandma's house, catching up with relatives, and eating an absurd amount of holiday cookies and snacks. After a few days of Christmas, I'm back at the house applying the finish coat of paint to the garage. I'm sticking with the same bare marquee white 52 paint that I used in the rest of the house. It's a durable shade of paint, and it'll be good in the workshop, but also, there are a million shades of white, and I want this to match the rest of the house, even if it is just the wood shop. As I paint, I remove bulbs as to not cover them in paint, and thus begins this interpretive dance of swapping bulbs while painting. After a couple hours of rolling, the garage is done, and man, I'm really happy with how this thing's turning out. On Sunday, I turned to a job that I've been putting off because it's not fun or sexy. When Complete Basement Systems installed helical piers, I asked them not to re-cement this area because I knew I'd need to replace this shower drain. After cutting the old pipe, I'm ready to install the new DWV. On Monday, I set some boards to mark the exact center of the drain and align the pieces. The soil was too moist to pour concrete today, so I'll keep a fan running until it reaches the proper level. On Tuesday, the soil is at the right humidity for pouring concrete. I mix up several batches, pour, screed, and finish the job. That's a wrap for week 218 and a wrap for 2024. To everyone who's tuned in to the channel and supported me on this crazy, overly ambitious project, thank you. I see your comments and likes and appreciate all the support and love. Until next week and next year, happy renovating.